Our clients need all kinds of shapes and sizes for their applications. We send a questionnaire to get our arms around your challenges. We want to understand your fit, form, and function. We send a precise AutoCAD print based on your input, and we'll take your comments constructively. Once we iron out a print, we will go into production and make great quality. We can customize this kind of product for you if the sizes are not optimal. We love customizing. We can do these racks in stainless or plain steel. We can electropolish the stainless steel. We can also nickel or chrome plate, Teflon, nylon, or plastic coat your racks. We can coat the racks any color, though black is the most common color. Check this out. We can even coat it with an antimicrobial coating for infection control. This will halt MRSA in its tracks. And if you do want to customize, we are fast. We typically ship raw racks in 1 week. If you need coating, we typically ship it in 2 or 3 weeks. If you need it even faster, just let us know. Established in 1968, Marlin Steel wire has been featured in Fortune, Popular Mechanics, and the Washington Post. In the last several months, we've exported our baskets and hooks to Canada, Mexico, the UK, Belgium, Japan, New Zealand, and my favorite, Taiwan. How cool is that? We specialize in shipping fast, high-quality products. We have thousands of baskets and hooks in stock but love customizing for your needs. We make everything in the United States, all great quality. Please send us an email today or call us and we'll quote you ASAP.